To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Then, open the group chat where you want to use slow mode. This feature works only in group chats and supergroups, not in individual chats. Now, tap the group name at the top. Next, tap the pencil icon at the top to edit the group settings. From there, select Permissions. Here, you will see Slow Mode. Choose the time limit you want. For example, if you select 10 seconds, members can send only one message every 10 seconds. Set how long each member must wait before sending their next message. Keep in mind, only group admins can enable or manage slow mode, and admins are not affected by the time limit. After that, tap the checkmark icon in the top right corner. Finally, tap the checkmark icon again in the top right corner to save your changes. From now on, slow mode will be activated in the group. Members will now have to wait for the set time interval before sending their next message, while admins can continue posting without any restrictions. Enabling slow mode helps keep group conversations organized, and prevents message spamming. So that's how you can enable and use slow mode in Telegram groups.